If you want to make a GIF in Photopea, this tutorial will walk you through the exact workflow step by step. We're going to build the animation from a single starting frame, duplicate and tweak each layer, convert everything into frames, and then export the final result as a GIF. It's a really simple process once you understand the loop, and it's perfect for making animated social media graphics, reactions, text animations, or product showcases. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and create a new document by going to File, then New. This is where your animation will begin. Now design your starting layout on the default background layer. Think of this as frame 1 of your GIF. You can add text, shapes, images, or any design element you want to animate. The key here is to create the very first version of your graphic before making any changes. Once your first frame is ready, the next step is to duplicate the layer. On Windows, press Ctrl+J. On Mac, press Command+J. This creates a copy of your active layer instantly. Now make a small change to the new top layer. You can move an object slightly, change the text, adjust the brushstroke, or modify the position of an element. The goal is to make only a tiny incremental change so that each frame looks like the next step in the animation. After that, duplicate that layer again using Ctrl+J or Command+J and repeat the process. Make another small adjustment on the new copy. Then duplicate again and tweak again. Keep doing this until you've built your entire sequence from the start of the animation at the bottom to the final version at the top. This stacking method is what makes the GIF animate smoothly later on. If you're making a bouncing text effect, a sliding icon, or a simple reveal animation, this is the part where every frame gets created one by one through duplication and small edits. Once all your layers are in place, it's time to convert them into animation frames. Click the top layer, then hold Shift and click the bottom layer so the whole stack gets highlighted. You want all of the layers selected together before moving on. After that, go to the top menu, click Layer, then Animation, and choose Make Frames. Photopea will automatically process the selected layers and turn them into frames for your animation. This is the step that prepares your design for export, and it's what makes the GIF feature work properly. Now that the frames are created, go to File, then Export As, and choose GIF. In the export settings, you'll see a speed slider. Use this to control how fast or slow the animation plays. If you want the GIF to loop with a back and forth motion, you can also check the boom box. That gives your animation a bouncing effect instead of a standard one-way loop. Once the settings look good, click Save and download your finished GIF. And that's it. You've successfully made a GIF in Photopea from start to finish. The process is really just build, duplicate, tweak, convert, and export. Once you practice it a couple of times, you'll be able to create clean, looping animations in minutes. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Photopea and design tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more beginner-friendly guides.